Good morning, evening, or afternoon. My name is Dillon, and this is my YouTube channel, The Side of the Trail. So as you can see right now, I'm standing in the beautiful Rocky Mountains of Colorado. If you've never been to Colorado before, this is what you're missing. This trip was supposed to be a simple, just me in the mountains and some peace and quiet type of trip. I didn't plan on losing my drone. I definitely didn't plan on climbing 14,000 foot peak. But out here, plans change fast. The photos you see lead up to the incredible trek to the top of the mountain. This was before I had any idea that I would be doing this hike. So please, enjoy the ride to the trailhead, the flying of the drone. So, the drone is stuck at the top of a mountain. It's not like this has happened before. It has happened before, in case you don't know me. But this time it's actually achievable to retrieve the drone. So tomorrow we got Operation Rescue Drone. Mission critical, mission achievable. It's more of a matter of who finds it first than is anybody going to find it, because we have the coordinates, we know exactly where it's at. It's a hike. It's up there, literally. That is a ridge. Let me explain. See, what happened was, comes up on a ridge. I'm just following the ridge all the way up, going up. Here's the mountain. Boom. I made some friends, Jordan and Jesse, and we're gonna go check it out tomorrow. Make it happen. We'll get this drone. Recovery mission. Let's go. Gotta go, bro. You bring it. The trail we would be hiking on is called the Decalibron. It summits 4 different 14,000 peaks: Mount Democrat, Cameron, Lincoln, and Bross. I got lucky and crashed the drone on the first one, Mount Bross. So we hiked, and we hiked. And only about 15 minutes into the hike, things started getting difficult. This is sick. We came across this girl, let's call her Angela, sitting on a rock reading her Bible. She had tennis shoes on and didn't look like she was ready for hiking too much. Somehow we convinced her to join the brigade and make it to the first peak, Mount Bross. Here's a true side of the trail update. The drone is further. All right, working our way up. 14,000 feet, top of this mountain. We ain't even at the top yet. Wow. I think it went down over here, bro. I don't think you're getting it back. side of the trail update. Fronts are leaving me. I gotta go back down, but now I know a better location where it's at. Oh look, more hikers. Here's where the drone crashed. Flying up through this little patch. Flew over this patch. And then right there, boom. Right there on this patch. There is no drone on the side of the mountain. Drone should have crashed like right here somewhere. I can't find it. Man, this is steep. Start the descent. Well, just when I was about to give up all hope. Just about to give up all faith in humanity. Not humanity, but drone. ROTC, Army, came in clutch for me. Check this out. Oh man. It's alive and it is well. So, I'm just blessed. Just very blessed to have a working drone again. What a ride. What I want to do is go to Alma, but I keep finding things on the map that I want to go see. I'm gonna go to Alma though, that's the plan, and venture around the mountains there. Because there's all kinds of stuff in Alma. In between Alma and Leadville. So many trails. Alright, let's keep going.